Hello, today's episode, if you can call them episodes, is for a friend of mine and her father. My friend is getting married this Saturday, so congratulations to her. And her dad has been suffering somewhat. So we're going to call this exercise left, right, side to side. It's for anyone who's suffering from lower back pain. It can be a real bore when you can't even get up in the morning, you can't even get out of bed. Getting out of bed will be another topic for discussion in the future. But for today, it's just a really simple stretch that you can do, more commonly known as knee hugs. So I'm going to give you a couple of variations to the knee hug, just so that you can try this out if you're ever suffering at all. So all you need is floor, basically. Something relatively comfortable. I'm using a yoga mat. But you can do it on your bed, you can do it on a sofa, you can do it on carpeted floor. If it's not too uncomfortable, you can do it on any hardwood floor as well, but outside, grass, anything like that. So all you have to do is be lying down. So keeping your feet nice and firm on the ground, your hips nice and steady. If this in itself is too much, then do seek some help. Come and see one of our osteopaths, and we can get you to this position and this point without too much discomfort. But as long as you can get to this position, you can try this exercise. So if you start with hands, palms on the floor, and just sort of readjust your pelvis so that it's nice and comfortable, and taking one leg at a time, hug onto your knees there. This is a stretch, not an exercise, so I'm not wanting you to use stomach muscles to lift that leg there. It is the strength comes from your arms and sort of stability around your shoulders rather than from the waist down. So once you've got one knee, you can try and test that one. So this is one knee hug, as it were, and you can pull that in. It's just flexing your lower back by bringing your knee up to your chest. Once you're comfortable with that, obviously try the next one. Knee up, knee down. If you find one is tighter than the other, then keep going on this. And just feel for your lower back to start relaxing. Once you've got both of those, you can do one and then two. If you interlace your fingers, it becomes really easy just to squeeze your knees into your chest. Now you can see my hips are just coming off the floor. I don't want them to come much higher than an inch or so at most. It is for your lower back only. I don't want it to be working higher than your lower back. If you come too far up, it starts to work up into your lower rib cage and your thoracic spine. This is just for your lumbar spine and your lower back. So you can see my hips just raising off there. As I straighten my arms, my hips rest back onto the floor. That is all it is. The variations that we're talking about is we're going my right, but on the video it looks like left. Left and up, and then over to the right and up, and then back. Centre yourself between each one. Don't come up and roll across like that. You can do if you're not finding it too uncomfortable, but certainly to start with, let go, come back to the centre, and then go over to the other side. So to the left, to the right, and side to side. And that is it. Happy back pain free.